I want to thank my chief technicians who made this possible. My DOP is not here, Samir is not here, but Samir, thanks for making the film look so good. I want to thank Sean Roldan, who is a very, very dear friend of mine. He's a musical genius, and thank you, Sean. I want to thank Prasanna, GK, my editor, who's not here. Again, thank you. I want to thank Arvind. I know he's in some corner, my production designer. He's one of the most talented guys that the industry is going to see, so thanks, Arvind. I want to thank Tapas, my sound designer, and my entire cast and crew. Thank you so much. Kani Anna is here. Thank you. Amala Paul, thank you for being a part of this film. Thank you so much. I want to thank all my assistant directors and everybody who's been a part of this film for making this happen. Thank you, guys. I need to thank the most special person who's here this evening, my mother. Thank you. Thank you for allowing me to be a working mother and taking care of Ved. Thank you so much. My father couldn't be here this evening, but his blessings are with us. So thanks, Appa. Thanks for just being you. And without any further ado, I'd like to call Balki Uncle and Anand L. Rai Bai on stage to release the trailer.
Woo! Huge round of applause for both of them, guys.
Please bless us with a few words, Uncle, and release the trailer. Bye. You just have to say it's released.
It's too much of talent in one family. It's impossible to kind of speak. I remember the last time I was here when she launched Kochadian. It's amazing, and I'm so happy for her. And I think this is the best thing that could have happened to you. Thank you so much for calling me here. All the best. I'm sure it'll rock.
Thank you for being here.
Good evening.
Waste of time.
I'll say. I'll say for you. I'm the youngest in my family, and I was youngest till I was 42, and then I got Dhanush. And now I feel like how it feels to be an elder brother. So thank you, Dhanush. Thank you very much. It's a great evening, very excited, and looking forward to this. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So with their blessings, I present to you VIP2 trailer, Tamil, right now.
Woo! Two.
So here comes.
The trailer is certainly to fall for.
And director Samundra Kani and actress Amala Paul, who has also been a part of VIP1. Please put your hands together, guys, and let us welcome them on stage.
Samundra Kani sir and Amala Paul on stage. A very warm welcome, sir, ma'am.
They look so good together.
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. தேங்க் காட். இறைவனுக்கு தான் நன்றி சொல்லணும். தம்பிக்கு நன்றி, சகோதரிக்கு நன்றி. தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச்.
That was short and sweet.
He said. He said, thank you, God. Thank you, Dhanush. Thank you, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thanks to everyone. Good evening, guys. It's too overwhelming for me to talk because, well, I think dreams do really come true. Standing here on the stage with these wonderful souls, wonderful, amazingly talented personalities. It's extremely an honor for me to be here sharing this stage and sharing this movie. Thank you, God, for this moment. And I would like to thank Dhanush sir, D. We all call him fondly D. So D sir for... when we all are happy, we call him D. Yeah, so the reason why I'm here is, first of all, because of Dhanush sir. Thanks for your belief, trust, and thanks for making me part of VIP2 also. You didn't kill me. No, please. I'll be a good wife, I promise. Won't torture you. Yeah, and thank you, Soundarya ma'am. Where is she? Hi. She's one of the best and sweetest director I've worked with. Your energy is amazing, and I think she has made VIP bigger and better. I know he's going to kill me for this, but you've added so much of beauty and so much of energy to all the characters. And I think Shalini is a beautiful, all the characters is a beautiful extension in VIP2, and producer Danu sir. It's an honor to be a part of V Creation, and all the technicians and Kajol ma'am. Even still, when I see you, it takes like 5 minutes for me to come back to reality. I'm like, no, this is not real. Always been a huge fan of her, grew up watching you, and I think it's beyond an honor to be a part of a movie which you're also there. No, I mean it. So thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for coming and blessing us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Amla. Amla, I just request you to please stay back on stage. I have a question to ask you. So Amla, you were also a part of VIP1. So what do you feel has changed, in VIP2? Like a part of you, any experience that you want to share?
For me?
Yeah.
I think VIP2, yeah, definitely, because it's a new character altogether.
Okay.
In VIP1, I played his love interest.
Okay.
And in VIP2, it's a wife. I think that explains everything.
Yeah.
When a lover turns wife. So for me, the scenes, the characterization, everything was really different.
Okay.
And as I said, Soundarya ma'am is the highlight during the shoot. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so
so
much.
very much.
Thank you. Thanks for your kind words. Thank you.
And now we go ahead for the Hindi promo song, which is, again, exciting. We were so excited to see the trailer and now the promo song. Of course, the cover of the book.
Again, I think it deserves like a huge round of applause.
Bang
Please.
on!
Game on.
And now we request production designer Arvind Ashok Kumar sir to come on stage so that we can hear from you also your experience.
And we would also like to invite Caesar, who's the choreographer for the movie, to please come on stage.
Huge round of applause for them. Woo.
Waiting for you, Caesar.
Check. Hi, good evening. Sorry, I was very slow. Yeah. What? Would like to thank Dhanush, D, Happy Times. We call him D. I didn't know that. Okay. Hello, good evening, sir. I wish my leg is injured. Kajol ma'am, thank you so much. Soundarya ma'am. Where are you? Oh, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I wish, but we had showed them the other one. Oh, you should see that. Where Mr. Dhanush has clearly defined gravity. He is dancing on a slope which is 15 feet above, and he has vertigo. And he always blames me and Anand sir for putting him in Ranjana, putting him on the mandir, and here around 15 feet up. Anand sir, but we owe it to him. He's the most hardworking actor I've ever worked with. And trust me, this is not I'm just saying, but he's the most hardworking actor I have seen. He's been a wonderful friend, and thank you so much. I'm boring them. I think you should continue. Thank you everyone.
Thank you for this great platform. And thanks, Soundarya. It was lovely working with you. And at last, we've seen this day after all that. Thank you, Disa. It was lovely meeting you for this time. Happy times, Disa. And thank you, V Creations. Thank you, Dhanu sir, and thank you, Parnaman sir. It was really wonderful working with you all. And I hope you guys love the film. There's a lot of hard work that's gone as every other film. And I hope it entertains you all as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And now we go ahead to see the Telugu trailer of VIP2. Few words, sir, if you want to share.
இன்ப சுப நாள் இது, இனிய நாள் இது. வந்திருக்கக்கூடிய அனைத்து திரைச்சிற்பிகளுக்கு, பத்திரிகை சகோதரர்களுக்கு, தொலைக்காட்சி தோழர்களுக்கு என் ஆத்மார்த்த மகிழ்வும் நெகிழ்வும் கலந்த மாலை வணக்கத்தினை மகிழ்வோடு தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கின்றேன். வட இந்தியாவிற்கு வந்திருக்கிறோம். அவர்களுக்கு தெரிந்த நடையில் இப்பொழுது Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am very happy to meet you all on this moment at the capital city of our film industry. I am in film industry for the past 46 years and produced more than 40 films so far. After the grand mega hit of Kabali, we plan to do film with Dhanush as hero and Soundarya Rajinikanth as a director. I received a call from our superstar Rajini sir and suggested the Dhanush script of VIP2. When we listened to the script from Dhanush, we understood the perfect judgment of the superstar Rajini sir and proceeded with the same immediately. I like to thank personally our great superstar and icon of India Rajini sir and Dhanush during this moment. Our hero come writer Dhanush, the most talented artist we have given in world cinema. His confidence and focus is something special. One more new dimension of the film is the screenplay and director of the Soundarya Rajinikanth, yet another gem from the family of superstar Rajini sir. She is very talented director for the Indian cinema, and VIP2 movie will prove for that. I have signed many Mumbai actors and actresses for my films. Today, to have Kajol madam on board in this film VIP2 is the real proud moment. I have seen the film and happy about the output. Kajol madam, as yourself told us, this is going to be one of the best movie in your career. Thank you, madam, for action support. In the confident that I will meet you all again in Mumbai after the success of the VIP2, on behalf of VIP2 entire team, once again, thank you everyone for your wishes and presence. என் அழைப்பினை ஏற்றி வந்திருக்கக்கூடிய அனைத்து தென்னிந்திய திரையுலக பிதாமகர்களுக்கு என்னுடைய வாழ்த்துக்களும் வணக்கங்களும் வரவேற்பும் நன்றி உரித்தாகட்டும். Thank you.
Thank you so very much, sir. Now we would like you to felicitate all the dignitaries.